Okay, assuming that you already know about awake and start, that awake will play first and then start. Let's just test this super fast here. Awake and then the start. If you want to delay it more, that the difference between awake and start are not enough, what you can do is change this to an enumerator. Return new, wait for seconds, 2. This way, Unity, instead of just calling the method normally, it will start the start as a coroutine. And after 2 seconds, you get your start. Also, if you want, you can use a variable. So it's been delaying, and done. Okay, so these are the simple ways of delaying the start. And by the way, you cannot use the same for the awake. Because Unity doesn't like that. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching.